Assalamu alaikum, dear students, guardian. Hope you are fine and in good health. Alhamdulillah, I am fine too. Today, I will discuss about Passengers Health Declaration. Passengers Health Declaration is not applicable for kids of 12 or less years. For all those students, parents, guardians, travelers, passengers who are traveling from abroad to Bangladesh, including citizens of India, Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan, and other countries to Bangladesh in coming days, must follow the guidelines mentioned below. Health declaration form should be filled within 72 hours prior to departure time. Form link: healthdeclaration.dghs.gov.bd. Completed vaccination certificate is needed. Except for Johnson & Johnson, all other vaccines must have 2 doses to be considered completed. If vaccination is not completed, 72 hours COVID-19 RT-PCR negative certificate is needed. Get ready for your departure towards Bangladesh. Have a safe journey. May Allah bless us all. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
MBBS in Bangladesh, a dream we help turn into reality. We are the experienced, trustworthy and pioneer medical admission consultant based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Reserve your MBBS or BDS seat at your preferred college through us and get continuous support during your stay in Bangladesh. Bangladesh Study Center, University Application Service for international students. Feel free to contact us. Our dedicated WhatsApp number for foreign students and guardian +88 019 7777 0900.